This is a batch advanced efficient ELSA, where we are going to conduct a debate competition, a face-to-face rapid retaliatory debate competition, where these students have to retaliate quite rapidly uh, if they want to survive in the debate. Otherwise, they'll straight away lose this debate competition. So the topic for this debate competition is all about the language, and some people believe that foreign languages are quite better and they play quite vital role in the advancement of our society. But some people opine that our own languages, our own indigenous or native languages have got that gut and they can make us prosperous in the world also. So let's ask this guy. Yes, what is your introduction regarding your topic?
First of all, good evening to all of you, my all sides, and we are studying at Language Academy, ELSA Academy, Amarkot, and first of all, it's your beloved MK, your colleague, and today my topic is native language. I support native language. Uh, Sir, in native language, we explore and we advance everything that we want, and we learn everything easily, rather than foreign language. And
So we learn easily in native languages. Okay, this one thought. Okay, one thought, not more than that. One idea, one point. Yes.
Hello guys, my name is Niaz Ali. So today I am supporting. We have a debate competition. I am supporting the native language. So the language which we learn from our childhood, the language which is our mother tongue, and the language which is very important for a child to communicate. That is the native language. So
Okay. Yes. What's your idea?
Hello guys, myself Devan Kumar, Mr. DK, and I am also a batch of advanced efficient, and I am also support the native language. Uh, I think the our native language is our cultural and our historical language.
Historical. Okay, related to our history. Yes. Okay, from there. Why do you think foreign languages are important, more important than the native languages?
So first, it's nice to introduce myself. So it is I, Kasim, and today I am here at the debate contest. And today it's the debate between foreign language supporters and native language supporters. So I am supporting that foreign languages should be learned and taught rather than native languages. You know, native languages we already know these. There is no need to learn and teach these languages, but foreign languages should be prioritized a lot than native languages. You know, foreign languages are quite beneficial and lucrative for our communication skills. These foreign languages enhance our communication skills and boost up our communication level. So that was my point.
So start with great name Almighty Allah. Today, today my moderate by Ilsa Academy Murkot, and my debate topic, foreign language important. Foreign language is important in this any country. The my native then the native language is the birth in easily explore and easily talk, and foreign language is any country, any jobs problems in jobs, any country going any country the easily talk and face to face talk. So far, thank you.
So hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Ikraj Mari. So I will tell you, in modern time, no one can ask you about your native language. The English language, the foreign language, they can represent your personality. It can show your confidence, and also it can show your style.
Okay, now you are attackers and they are the defenders. You can ask any question that you would like to ask them. They are the defenders. They are at defending side.
So now I'm going to interrogate a question that you are saying that foreign languages are quite headache for us, and learning foreign languages are such just a time wasting thing. So tell me that how will you compete in such a complicated and complex world when you are very bad at learning foreign languages? That was my question.
My dear buddy, I'm not saying that you shouldn't learn any foreign language. You should learn. This is one of the skill. This is one of the, I mean, that wonderful thing. That is, it is good thing to learn any foreign language. But I mean that you shouldn't forget your native language. When you run behind any language, you totally gave your all potential to that language. No, that's really wrong. You should focus and give first priority to your native language. You know, language is the best medicine to save your culture, to promote your culture. When we lost our language, it means we lost our culture. That's the thing. We should learn other languages, foreign languages, but we should promote first priority to give our native language. That's the thing.
Today, my question, Pakistan is the international language is Urdu. Pakistan is the international language Urdu, but all courses, first class to big exam of Pakistan, CSS exam, only written in only English. Every test written in English. And for example, America is the international language is English, but in this country cannot Urdu every test Urdu and only the English. Why Pakistan is and Urdu cannot every test Urdu English? Only English written is.
Because this language, English language, is our international language. In every world, nook and corner, every man wanted to learn English, because there's not means common foreign language. There's a language that international, and every man wants to learn. And every means there are some countries or cities they are not implement English, but in the whole world, English is a dominant and international language. So in our country, Pakistan, we also our language is native language is Urdu. Our national language is Urdu, but we support English because it's an international language.
So you are supporting English language.
No.
Urdu, but also in
Okay, that's wrong, you think.
When you talk your native language, mostly you use some words of English like jacket board. You don't know what's the meaning of this word in Urdu. So it's a mean you when you talk your native language, you also use some words of your English language. Why?
So it means your native language is dependent on English language or a foreign language. You don't have many words in your own language.
We use English language words like JK, table, chair, whatsoever. But in our native language, the suitable words for these table, chair are there. But we don't use. We being Englishman, we want to being stylish, and we don't promote our culture.
So what's the alternative? Like if you don't have any word for any English word in Sindhi or Urdu, what is that?
We
option?
have, sir, why not? We have not.
It means we have words, but they are not common.
Yes.
Okay. Right now it's your turn. You should ask them the questions, but you should tell whom are you asking the question. Whom? You should direct first. My question is to Mr. This, to Mr. This, to Mr. This. Okay.
So, Mr. MK, you would tell us that you want to be a CSS officer. You prepare for your for this CSS officer. You write essay. You improve your vocab. So, tell me, without a foreign language, how to pass the exam? How you pass the CSS exam?
You are saying right, but we without foreign. Already I said we should learn. We should learn foreign languages. It's a wonderful thing. We can explore. We can expose and explore our things, and explore the things from other cultures. We should learn. When we go other country, foreign country, for example, we know the English language. That time we can learn more and more things from that culture. So in CSS, that's why the English language is more important to focus and learn the other cultures. That's why I think so.
Now your question.
So my question is Devan Kumar. Devan Kumar, native language is important in only two countries, Pakistan and India. Pakistan and India. Other countries cannot use for Urdu, cannot use for Sindhi. And I am going to America, jobs America, and why can survive the native language?
I think this is your mistake. Every country have a native language. We have a Sindhi and Urdu. It's our native language. And the other countries, India and foreign countries, have a native language, but it's their native language. It's our native language is Urdu and Sindhi, and India's native language, I think, Hindi, and so on. So we have another country have a other native language.
So while you learn your native language here, and if you happen to go to America, how would you talk to them?
Sir, it doesn't mean if we go to America and we speak with another people's uses the phrases and simple phrases, and we use the translation methods, and it doesn't mean we can leave that our language. We can't speak that. We can't speak, but we can go in another foreign country. We use translation method and easily simple phrases.
That's good one. Okay, yes, your last question, and that is headed to Mr. Niaz.
So right now I'm going to ask the question from Mr. MK or that guy.
Niaz, he is remaining. He is already done.
Mr. Niaz, tell me that how will you qualify the for abroad scholarships and which are the best for us, which are best which provide qualitative education to us, and how will you qualify them? And the second question is that how will you do business or do anything? How will you earn money if you don't know the foreign language?
First one is getting scholarships. So getting scholarships means we have also grip other languages, but native language, we support native language as a way that native language is a language that defines our culture, our traditions. If you don't have a native language, then how you be known your culture? That a Balochi who speaks their native language Balochi, and a Sindhi who speaks their native language Sindhi. That means they are every guy speaking Sindhi who said that that is Sindhi, must be Sindhi. How we define that? How we know? Because he or she speaking, and we know which language he or she is speaking, and through we listen and we know that which their the native language define their culture. So other question is that which question? Other
Scholarships.
scholarship. Getting scholarships is a way that English language must be learned. Some means languages learned is not bad thing. You must know other languages, but you must have our native language on grip. Thank you.
Okay. Now change the tables, like you are the attackers and they are the defenders. So ask your questions.
If you support the foreign language and you support the foreign language, if native language is not important with your ideas, but every country's successful countries teaching wants to our native language. Why this is which is the reason why every country wants to our native language?
Not every country, most of the country, they learn English, they want to translate English, they want to talk with English. Like Chinese try to learn English. So it's also, I think, every country wants to learn English, wants to translate English.
My question is that learning a foreign language, that's cost effective. We must have some cost to pay for. It means we are learning here. We pay fees, and at any app that professional, we use apps for learning English, foreign languages like English. We must pay our money, or we have to do work. Then a common man, how he or she gets foreign language knowledge, which have no money, and how they get foreign languages. So my question is,
Anyone can answer, you too.
Mr. That guy is saying that learning foreign languages require money, require rupees. But I am going to say you a thing that you can learn foreign languages by watching the movies, watching the films. There is no money is required there, and that's my answer.
Your question?
so why all of they are not see movies? Why they come here? They come here for learn a foreign language, which is English. So why?
They have come here for the practicing English language. They have come here for the learning grammar rules and many other things.
Okay. Last.
Is it possible we can promote, we can save, we can save our cultural diversity without language? If we forget our native language, we will be diminished. You know, when we lost our language, we lost the culture.
If you don't learn your own languages, you will like destroy your own culture. Why is this?
Every country is a different cultural, and the Pakistan cultural difference, and every country difference who the apply that this country's culture.
Okay, but if you're not learning Pakistani national languages,
Urdu.
so if you're not learning that, you are also destroying your culture. Is it okay if you are destroying your
Okay.
culture? It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now 3 questions are done, 3 more questions, and now you can just point out who your question should answer. So yes, who is going to ask the question? You?
My question is from there. So
You want to ask him a question?
yes,
Okay.
if you are come here to learning, if every time Sir Sikandar ask a foreign language, how would you how to learn and how to understand the foreign language?
Any students any learn more than more learn English every exams only English and this Sir Sikandar is only learn in foreign language, and every students needs for English language. Who's going any other country any exams only English.
But you can't know the native language, how to understand and how to understand the language, because you don't know the native language.
Native the English language, the pronunciations and grammars is learning easily learn English language.
Okay. Your question, your question 2. Tell us whom are you asking the question? Mr. Qasim. Okay.
You are saying that through movies we learn,
Coming back to the same question.
Yes.
Okay.
learn English, but everyone is not understand the movies of English, because they are talking fluently, like we talk our language fluently, native language. So without knowing the foreign language, how we understand the movies and we learn from them if we don't have.
Okay.
So then come here. There is no much fees. There is only 1500 fees. There is no any much kind of burden of fees.
Get scholarships.
Get scholarships. You get much benefit from the ELSA. Like the bunch of activities are conducted here. Like this is also an activity from here. You are developing your language. You are learning the English language. There's no any much fees. There's only 50 and 1500 fees.
We have increased the fees now. Yes, your question is done. You should ask. One question is remaining.
So my question is only one that how if we forget our language, how we can grow and how we can promote our state, our society in the whole world.
Okay. It means if you forget your own language, you are forgetting yourself.
Sir, I never say that forget your language. I only say that learn foreign language because it's if you go for an interview, if you want to.
Then you don't say that don't learn.
So it's
your
a
own
mean
language.
never forget your language. You also know your language, but also you also learn foreign language also. So that's my answer.
Okay, so the debate was quite like the contenders were quite hard and they gave tough time to each other. Now I would like to ask the audience in the background, like behind us, with your clapping, you must tell us how their performance was and how they were. Okay, so audience poll goes in the favor of these three young students that they are winner, and we just stick to the same decision as that of the audience. Clapping for all now.